Have you ever wondered what's really hidden deep inside our planet? Is there another world beneath us, or just rocks and lava? Today, we'll uncover some mind-blowing Earth facts that will completely change the way you see our world. Fact 1. Humans have only managed to dig about 12 kilometers into the Earth. That's at the Kola Superdeep Borehole in Russia. Beyond that point, the heat reached over 180 degrees Celsius, melting the drilling equipment completely. Fact 2. The Earth is made of four main layers: the crust, mantle, outer core, and inner core. The inner core is mostly solid iron, with temperatures reaching nearly 5,000 degrees Celsius, almost as hot as the surface of the sun. Fact 3. Scientists believe that if someone could reach the exact center of the Earth, gravity would be zero. That means you would literally float weightlessly in midair. Fact 4. Some people believe in the hollow Earth theory, which suggests a hidden world exists inside our planet, maybe even home to ancient civilizations or aliens. While science hasn't found proof, the mystery continues to fascinate millions. Fact 5. The Earth's magnetic field, created by its core, protects all life from the sun's deadly radiation. Without this invisible shield, life on Earth would be impossible. So, what do you think? Is there only rock and fire beneath us, or something more mysterious? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing facts every week.